so fluffy.
It's so amazing.
Whoa!
Assalamu alaikum, marhaban bikum. My name is Muhammad.
And I'm Aya, and she is...
Alina.
Remember the golden rule.
Always wash your hands. Ingredients are
4 tablespoons of organic Einkorn whole wheat flour.
2 tablespoons of organic milk.
1 tablespoon
Of organic maple syrup.
And a tablespoon of grass-fed butter.
A 4th teaspoon of aluminum-free baking powder.
Optional, non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
For extra taste. Before we start, we would like to mention some interesting facts about this flour.
Einkorn flour is very low in gluten and high in protein, which makes it the best type of flour.
It's lower in carbs and starch, and it's not enriched nor bleached.
It's perfect for cakes, bagels, scones, and many more.
This flour is great for people who are allergic to wheat.
It can be substituted for any other flour in any recipe.
More info about it in the description below.
First off, we're going to melt the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. Add milk, syrup, butter, and mix.
Then add in the flour and the baking powder. Place a piece of parchment paper in the mug before adding the ingredients. This will help it cook evenly and it will be very moist and fluffy. That's it! Put it in the microwave for 50 to 60 seconds, depending on how moist you like it.
As soon as you take it out of the microwave, add butter and syrup.
Bismillah.
Now for the moment of truth. Look how fluffy.
Pancakes under a minute. So easy and delicious. Honey, do you like it?
yeah.
And now to the enlightenment board. Super easy, fun, fluffy, moist, and tasty.
No artificial flavors.
Organic and healthy ingredients. Let us know if you would like us to make a video about the pros and cons of using a microwave.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to get notified when we upload.
We need your support to continue bringing fun, exciting, and brain-fueling recipes. Inshallah in the حبيت الفيديو.
ما تنسوا اللايك والاشتراك بالقناة. مع السلامة.
We'll see you next week.
مع السلامة.
السلام عليكم مرحبا بكم. My name is Muhammad.
Sorry.
السلام عليكم مرحبا بكم. My name is Muhammad.
And I'm Aya.
And she is...
Alina.
I forgot about that.
Progress.
That's it. Put it in the microwave for 50 to 60 minutes, depending on how moist you like it.
50 minutes?
50-60 minutes?
Is it minutes?
You see, you can burn it. You can burn the plate, the
You can't
parchment
even, you
paper,
can't even
the
put it for an hour in there.